Now the concept is protective colloid. Now the concept is protective colloid. Where is this the application of protective colloids? Means the protective colloids were used for the stabilization of lyophobic colloids. See, for example, how means, see, this is a lyophobic, this is a lyophobic colloid. Gold is a lyophobic colloid. Means lyo means solvent, phobic means heating. Lyophobic colloid. This is a lyophobic colloid. When I have added water, when I have just added water to this lyophobic colloid, what will happen means the electrolytes present in the water, like sodium, chloride, the electrolytes present in the water, that will combine with this gold, here, and they will settle at bottom. Means precipitation or formation of sedimentation of lyophobic colloid. Why there is a formation of sedimentation of lyophobic colloid? Means due to the presence of electrolytes in the given water. Whatever the water I have given now, I have given the water. In this water, the water contains electrolytes. Whatever the electrolytes present in the water, that will, like the chloride present in the water, that will combine with gold, like this. That will combine with gold, that will settle at bottom. It's the formation of precipitate or sediment. Okay, even though I will shake this system, there is no redispersing of this precipitate or lyophobic colloid. There is no redispersing of this lyophobic colloid. So what can I do in order to make, what can a pharmacist do in order to stabilize this lyophobic colloidal system? This is generally happening. When you will just add the water to gold, there is a precipitation of the gold. Again, it is not redispersing. So what a pharmacist need to do means, the pharmacist need to solve the problem. How can I protect this gold from the electrolytes which are present in the water given by us? How can I protect the lyophobic, means lyophobic particles from the electrolytes which are present in the given water? So the pharmacist has developed a concept called protective colloid. So just this is a lyophobic particle, this is a gold particle. So what I have added, I have first taken the gold particle, lyophobic particles. To this system I have added the lyophilic particle, means lyophilic colloids I have added. Whatever the lyophilic colloid I have added, those will set or adsorb on the surface of lyophobic colloid, means on the gold particles. Whatever the given lyophilic colloid, they will settle on lyophobic colloid. So what will happen? The system is like this. Means the added lyophilic particle system is like this. These are just adsorbed on the lyophobic particles. Now just I am adding water to this system. What will happen? Whatever the electrolytes present in the normal water, these are the electrolytes present in the water. These are the electrolytes present in the water. Then what will happen means, whatever the electrolytes are present, they will remove the solvent film. They will see, these are removing the solvent film. Means from this solvent, this ions are taking the solvent films from the lyophilic colloid. So these are not attacking on the lyophobic colloid directly, because lyophobic particles continuously surrounded by this lyophobic particles continuously surrounded by these lyophilic particles. So first, in order to touch these lyophobic particles, in order to touch these electrolytes present in the water, in order to touch to these lyophobic particles, first this need to attack on the lyophilic particle. Then it will attack to the lyophobic particles. So now the electrolytes attacking on lyophilic particles. Just they are removing the solvent film. See, these are taking this solvent film, and this solvent film is present now around the chloride. This solvent film present around this solvent film present around this solvent film present around this. So 4 solvent films are there. So 4 ions or electrolytes, 4 solvent films they have taken from lyophilic colloidal colloid. So still the system is stabilized. See, still the system is stabilized. So there is no precipitation, means there is no precipitation of this colloid. See, there is no precipitation of, so there is no interaction of this lyophobic colloid with this lyophilic particle. Sorry, there is no interaction between the lyophobia particle and this electrolyte. So what will happen? See, what will happen? See these 3 electrolytes, just remove the 3 layers solvent films. Still the system gets stabilized. See, still the system, lyophobic system colloid is stabilized due to the presence of lyophilic colloid on lyophobic particles. So now what is happening here? The lyophobic colloid is not sedimented or not formed precipitation as that of previous one. See, previously just adding the electrolyte to the system, there is immediately formation of precipitate. Now whenever I have added the electrolytes, I have added the water, the electrolytes present in the water that is not interacting with lyophobic particles. So there is no formation of precipitate. Now in this system there is no formation of precipitate. You are observing there is no formation of precipitate. So what is happening here? What is protective colloid? See, this is a protective colloid. Which one we can call as this one is this lyophilic particle we will call as a protective. See, for what we are calling as a protective colloid, the colloid which is adsorbed on the lyophobic colloid. See, the colloid which is adsorbed means the lyophilic colloid which is present on the lyophobic colloid we can call as a protective colloid. The lyophilic colloid in lyophobic colloidal dispersion we can call as a protective colloid. See, what is protection? What is protecting? See, this protecting this protective colloid or lyophilic colloid protecting the lyophobic colloid from the electrolytes present in the water. See, what's its action is? See, what is the protective colloid means? The protective colloid protecting the lyophobic colloid from the electrolytes which are present in the water, which are present in the normal water. This is protecting. That's why the protective colloid, the protective action is like that. This is about the protective colloid. This protective colloid, this colloid we can call it protective colloid. This colloid protecting this lyophobic colloid from the electrolytes present in the water. We can call it just simply the definition is we can call as a protective colloidal action. But initially how it is just adding the water to the gold system, the immediate formation of precipitate. Now not like this. So pharmacists have solved the problem by just adding. Pharmacists have solved the problem, the instability of lyophobic colloid by just adding lyophilic colloid to the lyophobic system leads to formation of protective colloid. This protective colloid protect the lyophobic colloid from the electrolytes present in the water. So now the pharmacist has solved the problem of instability of lyophobic colloids by due to the action of protective colloidal action.